गोवा पे रिसर्च करते हुए मेरी नजर पड़ी कुछ ऐसे ब्लॉग्स और आर्टिकल्स पे जिनका टाइटल था द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल विलेज इन द वर्ल्ड। Intrigued by this, I decided to spend a day at Aldona to find out what really makes this sleepy neighborhood the most beautiful village. Situated on the banks of river Mapsa, Aldona is just around half an hour drive away from the busy Baga Kalangut Kandolim circuit, which means far enough to experience the peace and tranquility and yet close enough to enjoy a couple of things from the commercial tourism map. It's a peaceful village that follows the comunidad system. Comunidad is a Portuguese word meaning belonging to the community. The first thing that I noticed here was a statue in the center of the town. It was a pleasant surprise to know that this is the statue of Edward Suarez, who was the first principal of St. Thomas School established way back in 1923. How often do we see a local educator being celebrated? क्योंकि हमारी कंट्री में तो ऐसे स्टैचू सिर्फ पॉलिटिशियंस के ही बनते हैं। तो अपने फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन से मैं कह सकता हूँ कि एल्डोना, यू आर ब्यूटीफुल। Most villages in Goa have a church around which the village life is centered. Here it is the St. Thomas Church. Whitewashed in pristine white, standing in the middle of greenery and right next to Mapsa River, the church has an awe-inspiring presence in Aldona. Built in 1596, its interiors are supposed to have some stunning murals depicting stories from the Bible. But जब मैं पहुंचा तो it was closed, and that's why I couldn't see it from inside and have to be satisfied with just looking at the beautiful facade from outside. Right next to the church is probably the most beautiful man-made structure of Aldona. A divine symmetry that has a profound message on its gate. Ais Maka Falea Tuka, meaning today it is me and tomorrow it will be you. It's difficult to describe in words how I felt looking at this place. बस इतना कहूँगा that it looks so peaceful that I wouldn't mind moving to Aldona so that when I die, I can literally rest in peace. Here is another reason for me to say, Aldona, you are beautiful. The village is dominated by the recently constructed Khorjue Bridge, a cable bridge that connects Aldona to Khorjue. The bridge has featured in a number of Bollywood movies and is famous for the fact कि आप ये bridge half या full day के लिए rent कर सकते हो for private events. Aldona, you're not just beautiful but weirdly wonderful. ये bridge cross करके one can visit the Khorjue Fort. This is perhaps the smallest fort I've ever visited, but it's absolutely unique in its architecture. It has this squarish structure with watchtowers at all four corners, probably to ensure that no invaders can come through the land or river route. छोटा होने के बाद भी it's a great place to spend some quiet time gazing at the surroundings. अपनी एल्डोना विजिट को मैंने एंड किया गोवा के बैकवाटर्स पे। यस, यू हर्ड मी राइट। लाइक केरला, इवन गोवा हैज बैकवाटर्स। The Goan backwaters start at Aldona and gently flow through lush green mangroves all the way to Panjim, where it meets the Mandavi River. And this place is like a painting. A small stone bridge standing in the middle of the wilderness, colorful boats resting on the banks, and a few anglers filling their bags with snappers and shrimps. It's just a different world out here. Visiting Aldona leaves you with a sense of nostalgia. It's a peaceful village with an old world charm and yet quite modern at the same time. Surrounded by gentle backwaters and vast paddy fields and sprinkled with traditional Portuguese home and old churches, this typical Goan village is an oasis of peace. And my takeaway are the words engraved on the cemetery. Today me, tomorrow you. कह सकते हैं कि travel is quite like real life. Today I travel to Aldona and tomorrow probably you.